In front of me is a ZTE Axon 9 Pro, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on the device. So to begin, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture, which for me as an example, I'm just going to use the home screen, but you can open up any kind of other app. So once you have it open, all you really need to do is hold power key and volume down. So like so, it gives you this, and you can capture a scrollable one as well here. So as an example, I'm actually going to open up Chrome, just I have something that can be scrollable as long as I have connection to internet, so give me a second. Just gonna connect to network really quickly. There we go, so now I'm connected. And let's go in here and let's try to reload this. Whatever, I guess that's good enough for scrollable. So if you have any content that you actually get to scroll and you want to capture more of it, for instance like text messages, a long thread of messages, you can do the same thing, hold power key and volume down, and then you have the option right here, scroll capture, and it starts scrolling, right? And it either stops when it reaches the end, or you can stop by just pressing the button before it reaches the end, because for instance if you're trying to load some feed that keeps refreshing and going back and back, it will basically be endless. But here, as you can see, once you reach the end, it automatically stops. So now, once you have captured both of those, you can tap on save right there. Once you have captured both of them, they can both be found in your gallery. So let's go in here, then albums, and here I have screenshots. So there are two. There's the home screen, which I have captured, and then there's the scrollable screenshot, as you can see. So that is how you could capture a screenshot on the device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.